In this video, I'll show you how to hide completed tasks in Monday.com. Start by opening the board where your tasks are stored. Hiding completed tasks helps reduce clutter and allows you to focus only on active work. First, make sure your board has a status column that tracks task progress. Most boards use labels like to do, working on it, review, and done. Once the board loads, look near the top of the board and click the filter button. A filtering panel will appear, then click switch to advanced filter at the bottom of the drop down. Choose the status column as the column to filter and click is not in the condition, then select done in the value. As soon as the filter is applied, completed tasks will disappear from the visible board. Only active or unfinished work will remain visible. If you want to reuse this setup later, save the filtered layout as a new view at the top right corner of the dropdown. Some teams also move completed tasks into separate groups or archive them regularly to keep boards cleaner long term. Hiding completed tasks makes project boards easier to scan and helps teams focus on current priorities. And that's how to hide completed tasks in Monday.com.